Welcome back to Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. Now, if you're new to the channel, I'm going to go ahead and encourage you to click that subscribe button now and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of the crafty, lovely uploads. And if you are a current subscriber, current member of the community, I just tell you, thanks for coming back. Thanks for supporting the channel, for helping it grow. And while we're here, I'm just popping on and share with you my latest swap mail. It's my, my happy mail. This one is from Junk Journal buddy Janet. And if you're not familiar with the term Junk Journal Buddy, it is one of the members of the Junk Journal Buddy Facebook group that is ran and founded by Liz of Liz for a Day here on YouTube. So if you're interested in joining any of her swaps, and those are hosted by the wonderful admin Penny, go ahead and look in the description below, and there'll be a link to the group. Now, without further ado, I actually am participating in 3. One, I think, is clusters. One is clusters. One is a fabric swap, fabric scrap swap, and I think the other one is journal cards. I think that's what it is. Nevertheless, I have 2 of the 3 created, and I just got to put the 3rd one in the mail along with some more happy mail or rack to send to a friend. And so I'm cutting the side open because I don't want to flip it over and show the addresses. So because I like to keep our mailing or our actual addresses confidential. You know the fans are out there. But anyways, okay, so here we have it. Oh my goodness. Okay, so she did, I think she messaged me and asked me if I like Christmas stuff, and I'm sure I said yes. Because look at this. These are clusters. Yes, these are clusters. Look at the classic Santa. Isn't he adorable? So she's got Santa with, it looks like some type of little bag behind there. Special delivery. And one of the Tim Holtz little staplers, tiny attachers, and then just distressed around the edges. That is so cute. I love the way she did that. It really does look vintage, and I can't wait to add that to this month's journal. Okay, and so then we have one of the little, oh, this is cute. It's so funny because we're learning about the Netherlands in social studies. Well, Josh is, I should say. The little Netherlands stamp, the blue, and the little girl holding, oh gosh, it looks like a bowling ball. I'm not sure. Some type of ball. And then a ticket and some vintage paper. So she's done a really good job of layering and distressing, aging it. And let's see what else. Oh. She's also sent, look at that. Look at George Washington. So it's an envelope with a stamp. It looks like it's ephemera tucked inside of here. Let me get this off of here. But whatever this is cute. I've never seen that before. Janet, is this something you made, or is that something that, oops, is that something you can buy? I like the way that is. It's like a paper clip. Look at that little stamp there. And so it's tucked inside are a couple, okay, this was, I think she tucked this in here just in a certain way. So I might be taking it all. No, she didn't. She tucked it in there. There's extra pieces for me to use. So we've got vintage stuff. It looks kind of like a label, kind of, vintage labeling. And then there's a little chocolate girl on top of a ticket, and I think she inked the flowers. That is so cute. Oh, I cannot wait to use that in my journal. And then she start doing things you love. Yes, I will. I certainly will. And then it looks like, this looks like actual vintage octagon granulated, I want to say sugar, or I don't know. This looks like one of those tickets you would get with rations or something to that effect. I'm not sure. Janet, if you're watching, can you let me know what that is in the comments below? And then, oh look, these are slides. I think this is what the slides were put on, and it looks like something that Liz has used in her crafting, but this would be cute on a pocket, and to drop a little, you know, image behind it and sew around it or what have you. That would be really cute. Thanks so much, Janet. And then let's see what else she sent. Okay, so this cluster is, it's like one of the little Tim Holtz hands. I think she colored these herself. 5 o'clock. So she's done some really cute layering. And then there's a button, so it's kind of dimensional and decoupaged and a little washi tape, and it's art. That's a brad, actually, by the way. I don't know if you can see that. That's a brad. I really like the, and there's a different theme to each one of them, but you can get a feel of the artist, or you know, or the creator's aesthetic. And oh, my favorite because it's a little boy with his dog, and he kind of looks like, kind of reminds me of my son. Actually looks like my husband when he was that age. But I love this tag, and I like the fact that it's a boy, but the background has a feminine feel. I love it. And I like the little the ribbon on here. It looks like she inked it, which I personally like because that's not something that I've done. So this is a journaling tag. This is my favorite, Janet. I love them all. Love them all. But this is my favorite, to the point where I kind of just want to frame it and put it somewhere in my workspace. I don't know why. And I also like the stitching, the drawn on stitching on the side. I don't know if you can see that. Let me just bring that up a little for you guys. It is something about this that I just love. The colors and the vintage feel, the aged look, a little tattered, you know. And so all of those items were tucked sweetly into this little bag here that she sent them in. I'm going to put them back in here until I put them into their forever spaces in my craft space, and probably touch them a little bit more before I put them away for in their final places until they're used again. So I want to thank you so much, Janet, for sending me this sweet package. I definitely will be utilizing these ready-made clusters. Thank you kindly. You know, it's always good to get items that are ready to use. You know, I mean, we're out there buying supplies, but it's good to get some stuff from people, you know, from your crafty friends that you may not necessarily have picked up in your store, or, you know, they have it available in their thrift stores and you may not have access to them. It might be vintage stuff. So again, thank you so much, Janet. I love everything in this pack. Thank you so much for sharing with me and for swapping with me. And I hope that you enjoy yours as much as I'm going to enjoy these. And again, if you guys are interested in joining any of the swaps on Junk Journal Buddies, check the link below. Head on over, let Penny know that Fam from Livie'S Lovelies sent you, and she will be happy to let you know when the next one will be coming up. And until we're back here again on YouTube, guys, stay encouraged, stay blessed, and stay creative in crafting. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.